Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by opening the Source Monitor from Windows Source Monitor in Premiere Pro. This panel displays raw clip playback before editing decisions. Double-click any clip in the project panel to load it into the Source Monitor quickly. You can also drag a media file from the project panel directly into that monitor. Remember, the Source Monitor differs from the Program Monitor because it previews unedited clips. The Program Monitor shows the timeline sequence and final edits for playback and review. You can add and dock the Source Monitor by dragging its tab into your preferred workspace location. Dock it beside the Program Monitor or place it above the timeline for convenient trimming. To preserve the layout, use Window Workspaces Save as New Workspace and give the workspace a name. If panels get lost, use Window Workspaces Reset to Saved Layout to restore your arrangement. This setup streamlines clip review and speeds up editing decisions in Premiere Pro. Load a clip into the Source Monitor and use the I and O keys to set in and out points precisely. Play and scrub using spacebar for play or pause, and JKL keys for shuttle control and frame-accurate review. To add the selected range to the timeline, press the comma key for insert edits or the period key for overwrite edits. Alternatively, drag the highlighted range from the Source Monitor into a targeted timeline track with the mouse. Review and adjust in and out points before committing edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.